Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els coming in from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick shop update. I have so much new stuff in the shop, so let me give you a quick update of some of the items that are in there that are new. So the first one is these file folders. I have a set. It's three in the set. You get the green, the pink, and the purple, and they're all the polka dot. And the nice thing about these is that there's no mark inside. So you don't have to try and figure out how you're going to ink around that or paper around it or anything. So that's a 3 set. You get 3 of those. I also have these in the shop, and I have these in 2 colors. I have in black and the white. All 3 of your folders will come with the same gold foil pattern, but the gold foil pattern is different from one set to the next. These are white on the inside, and they again are completely clean with no ink marks in them, and you get 3 in that set as well. These are very heavyweight, and the 3 sets are $1.50. Now these are more expensive. Okay, you get 6 in this set, and this set is $4. Okay, $4. All right, so let's talk a little bit about these. So these are inside. They have kind of this French provincial pattern, but they're clean. There's no ink stamps in them. This is the first one, and it's the same on the other side. All of these are exactly the same. And then you have this one, same on the other side. You have this one. It is the same on the other side. And this is the last one. So you get all of those for $4. What else do I have new in the shop? So I went to the Dollar Tree, and they were pulling these out. They just happened to not get them up in time, and most of their Halloween stuff is out, all sold out. So I grabbed these. These are rub-on transfers from Crafter Square, and what I have is all I can get. I cannot get any more of these. So there's several of each in the shop. These are $2.50. And the Harry Potter dies are now in the shop. With the Harry Potter dies, you get your choice of school colors. If you want to get the Hufflepuff, the Slytherin, Gryffindor, or what is the last school? Ravenclaw. That's the one. So you'll get the school color. So you'll get, like for Gryffindor, you'll get 2 of the red and then 2 of the gold color or yellow. For Hufflepuff, you'll get like 2 gray and 2 blue. So you'll get 2 of each item in the die cut set. And you can see what they are on the shop. The other thing that I have are the blanks to make your own film files, you know, your slides. And they come in a 10-pack. You get 5 of the craft and 5 of the white 110-pound cardstock. And these are $3 a set. I have the new set of fiber. So we've had the fiber in the shop before, and we still have that set, but I want to supplement it, so I made a second set. Now this is vintage. There's a lot of vintage in this one. Okay, there are some, you know, modern fun furs in here, but you've got a lot of mohairs in here and a lot of really great texture pieces. A lot of this is a vintage, that's a vintage, that's vintage, that's vintage, that's vintage. This one's vintage. Yeah, that's a vintage, that's a vintage, there's a vintage, here's a vintage. So there's a lot of vintage. Here's another one. A lot of vintage in this one. The total on this one is 85 total yards. A lot of these are from the 60s and the 70s. And this one is $7, right? Okay. And there's a whole bunch of these available in the shop. What's next? What is next? What is next? Oh, next, I have for you the mini seed packs. We have these back in the shop. These are just the cute little craft seed pack envelopes. They are 1 3/4 inches, just over 1 3/4 inches wide, and to the fold, they are 4 inches. And so you got your little flap there and your little pocket. So 10 packs of these for $1. Let's see what else. All right, back in the shop, we have the acrylic stamp presses. Okay, so these are the little mini ones, 6 1/4, I believe. Yep, 6 1/4 inches by 6 1/4 inches with the grid. So you can put your paper here, you can put your stamp down, stamp, ink, never have to move anything. So no more bad stamps. So these are in the shop. And let me see how many I have. This is a very limited supply on these ladies. There's only 4 in the shop, and these are $10. So if you don't do a lot of stamping, or you want to have something that you can take with you and your regular stamp press is too big to carry along, this is a great option. And it comes all wrapped up in bubble wrap for you. What else do I have in the shop? Okay, let's talk about these. So I have new Pokie tools in the shop. I did this whole set of adorable Pokie tools. We're calling these the rainbows. And they either have sari silk on the top, they have some organza ribbon on the top, or they have some of that beautiful hand-dyed seam binding from over on Donna's Dreams ×3. So there's a whole bunch of colors available in the shop. All of these colors, you just have to go check them out. It is a beautiful filigree heart at the top, and then your colored pieces that, let me get this where you guys can see that. So you have a beautiful filigree heart, and then you have your beads, and they're different sizes and different shapes. But they're absolutely gorgeous. I have all of those in the shop. Ooh, somebody lost their tip. You did. And of course, they do come with a little rubber stopper on the end, so you don't poke yourself getting it out of the package. I hate when that happens. The other thing that I have in the shop that's brand new is this gorgeous lace. And this is going to be, the Pokie tools are, I believe, $7. And this is going to be $3 a yard on this one, guys. Very, very, very limited amount on this one. Okay? And last but not least, I have these beautiful little rhinestone pieces, right? You can break these apart, you know, cut them apart if you want to. If you have a pair of wire cutters, you can break them apart and use just a small piece of it, or you can use the whole piece. It's entirely up to you. These are going to be in the shop for $2.50. So that's what I got, guys. That's everything that's new in the shop right now. There's other things, but that's all I'm going to show you, just, you know, for time. So if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe for me, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. And then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. Before you know it, we have an entire crafting community. Until I see you again, stay safe, guys. Bye-bye.